Hey boys and girls, I'm back with you and today we're diving into clouds and where they came from, why we need them, who cares, and all that good stuff. Once upon a time things were simple. There was a server under the desk, humming, warming your feet, and if something broke, you just went over and rebooted it manually. Then it got a bit smarter. Local data centers popped up, entire rooms full of racks, endless cables, and that one person who kinda knew how it all worked, or at least acted like they did. Then came virtual machines. That was a game changer. One physical server running 10 systems like it's pure magic. Convenient, fast, and it felt like the future. But then, the cloud showed up, and it flipped the script. No more metal under the desk. No more room of pain with AC humming. One click, and boom, you've got infrastructure in any region on the planet. Need 100 servers? Sure. Need to kill half of them in a second? Also fine. It's flexible, scalable, and most importantly, no more running to the server room at 2 a.m. That's how we moved from noisy boxes to invisible computing power that just works. Well, ideally, but once clouds took over the world, it became clear. Not all clouds are created equal. Giants started emerging, new versions of servers under the desk, only now at planetary scale. AWS is like the big brother. He was first, showed everyone how it's done, and set things up. But he's got a bit of an attitude. A million settings, even more features, and without a stiff drink or a few certifications, you're not figuring it out. But it's powerful, reliable, and pretty much everywhere. Azure is the corporate guy, especially tight with Windows folks. If you're running AD Office SQL Server, come on in, make yourself at home. Fits beautifully into enterprise workflows, very comfy for the suits. Google Cloud is the young rebel. Super smart with AI, big data, and containers. Kubernetes is their baby after all. The interface is simpler, pricing is startup friendly, and it's great for modern workloads. But sometimes you feel like they're still figuring themselves out. There's also Oracle, IBM, Alibaba, Yandex Cloud, each with their own twist. Some lean on local service integration, some win with pricing, others focus on strong market-specific support. Bottom line, it's not just about buttons and billing, it's about philosophy. The best cloud is the one that fits you. And honestly, they're not just servers in the sky anymore, they're full-blown platforms, from storage to machine learning, from APIs to no-code magic. And here you are, deploying a cluster across 3 regions in minutes. And thinking, man, I used to run around with a flash drive to reboot a box. Now we live in a world where infrastructure isn't about going to the server room. It's about clicking a few buttons in the console. You can launch a global project from a cafe with a laptop. Resources scale in minutes. High availability? Just flip a toggle. Sure, clouds solve a ton of problems, but they bring new ones too. Security, cost control, proper architecture design. So now it's not just where you host, but how and why. Because the cloud isn't a magic button, it's a powerful tool. The trick is using it wisely, so may everyone find their perfect cloud, reliable, scalable, and with zero surprises on prod Friday night. Write code, build systems, automate everything you can, and may the SLA be with you. Good luck out there. May your clouds be light and your bills transparent.